Parks and Recreation, Virginia L. Brown Rec Center. I have a DIY. You can do it at home. We have like different ones you can make. You can use stuff that you have at home. You can make it more decorative, or you can kind of just leave it plain like this. It's pretty much almost like a small version of Cornhole. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much a game where you're tossing something in there. So I use foil for that. And I made like a silly one with the eyes and everything. You can play with your siblings, your friends who are, so I'm gonna kind of go over how to make one real quick. You can kind of start by, first, we do like to recycle. So first you can use a bottle that you have already had before after you drank the water from it. You use, and then you can recycle it afterwards. If you just have some paper lying around or construction paper, I mean, use what you have at the house. Would probably be a little bit easier. You don't have to go buy anything. So we're gonna go ahead and make a little cut in here. And then we'll cut a hole in it. Just right in the front, a round circle hole. So this piece will be out of it. So if you wanted to make it with a silly face, I suggest you use tape. I'm gonna use glue gun, but use what you have. If you have some glue at your house, just use the glue that you do have. So I'm gonna use this here. All right, I'm putting the eye here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this other eye. I'm gonna put it here. You can kind of make it as silly as you want to. I'm not the biggest arts and craft person, so I'm gonna make mine a little simple, but if you wanna go into depth of coloring it up and making it just more silly, the better. I'm gonna make a little nose. I already kind of pre-cut little stuff for it. You can make however you want to make it. All right, here I'm adding this glue on here. If you have a glue gun at home, make sure your parents help you with that. Don't just do it on your own. All right. Okay, this is just a little silly face right here that I made. All right, this is gonna be show you kind of how, see, it might not want to stay sometimes. You gotta make sure you put the glue on there pretty good. See, this is just a plain one you can use here. Or like I said, you can make the faces. So these are what they look like. And you kind of can get, if you want to ball up little pieces of paper or foil, I say foil works best because it's a little bit heavier when you ball it up. And you kind of just throw it in there. And you're gonna compete against yourself. You can, your siblings, to see how many times y'all can make it in there. I've gotten pretty good because I've been working on it a little bit. See that?